Hi everyone, it's a long time since we took a walk in our farm, and today we are in the rural village in Kenya, and we are in a village that's called Chogoria. Chogoria is a small village in Meru in Kenya, and today we are taking a small walk in my farm. It's just a normal rural farm, so there isn't much that's to see, but let's take a walk. So this is actually in the dry season, so we are just about to harvest our maize, and I have made this path that I would like to be walking on in the farm. So this is a man-made path that I've made by myself. What I've done is that I have actually just laid some gravel so that I don't get so much mud on my feet. At the same time, I've made a few benches in the farm so that as I walk, I can sit and rest. I can sit and eat some of the fruits that are growing there. I can talk on my phone, or I can just sit and relax and wind away. So this is right inside the farm. So we shall be seeing what we are doing in the farm. We shall also be looking at our beehives. We shall also be seeing a little beehive house that I have built for my bees. My bees have a house. You will see it. I hope I'll be able to approach it because we have lives that have bees inside. And here I also have a tank of water that I use to water my plants on my farm when it's very hot. We also use it to drink or to wash your hands or just to do anything. But it's just nice to have some extra water somewhere all the time. So this is my beautiful path that I've actually made myself by putting some little the bark of the tree on both sides, and then just putting the gravel in there and some hardcore, and that was enough. It's very nice to take walks here. You can make many walks during the day, and it's very, very, very refreshing and very relieving. So let's take a walk. Let's walk. Now we are approaching my bee house. So this is a little beehive house that I have built for my beehives, and we have beehives inside. There they are. We have two of them. They're full of bees, so we cannot go so near it. And I had also other beehives that are hanging around, but the bees came and they left, unfortunately. So after they left the yellow beehives, they migrated to some other two hives that I have. That one on top of that tree, that is a traditional African hive, and they decided to migrate to this beehive. So this beehive here you're seeing is full of bees that have come from my other modern hives, the yellow ones. They didn't like the yellow ones. They preferred to live in this traditional African hive. So I have two of those full of bees. So I hope to catch more swarms. I have a lot of these hives, and I really would like to have a lot of swarms so that I can collect a lot of honey. And so we are now here, and we are in Chogoria, which is a rural village in Kenya. This is a very beautiful place, and it's on the slopes of Mount Kenya. Actually, on a clear day, you would be seeing Mount Kenya on the blue skies. Where you're seeing the blue skies, you would be seeing the peaks of Mount Kenya, and they're snow-capped. So it's usually very beautiful to walk on these paths, especially when you can look at the mountain. And the air is very fresh and very nice. And so now the walk is over. Let's go back home. I hope you enjoyed our walk. Please keep on walking with us. Thank you. Bye.